Not far from Wellington, there's a community of local distillers, winemakers and brewers doing their thing and innovating in a uniquely Kiwi way. Chris Reed's a fascinating character. Coming from a winemaking background, he's applying that expert knowledge to produce a fantastic world-class gin.
Most of my drinks I like to have the concept of sense of place. With the Martinborough Cup we're using vermouth, which is made in Martinborough. We're using locally grown oranges, we're using locally grown manuka. So it's definitely a drink that sort of speaks of Wellington and the Wairarapa.
Oh man, unbelievably delicious.
Local pioneers, the Garage Project, have brought colour, art and style to brewing here. It almost seems like every day something new is coming out, a new collaboration, a new beer style. It's truly inspiring.
So essentially what we do here in the shop is this nice takeaway, and the idea behind the nice. So it's sort of a metaphorical way of describe beer for us and make it approachable for everyone. Because it's something nice, something that you and I enjoy.
I think Wellington's the sort of city that really encourages innovative small businesses. And every time I'm back, it's so good to see entrepreneurs like Hannah bringing something fresh to the city. The vibe, the experience, and the energy of this place is like nothing else.